Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Life will become normal. You all know about me if you had watched any of my previous videos that these pets are our great addition, and they are very helpful members of our family during this crisis. Watching them is our great fun. So Budgie's staying inside the cage all the time is not really a healthy choice we are making for them. Though they play inside the cage, they definitely need to come out every day for a particular time. And you can even create a schedule and follow it regularly with them. They always, like in my house, they come out and they just play around. And this is their favorite table. They never get down of it. It's a small circle table. They are good. And after letting them play like this, after this free play, we are going to train them by ourselves for teaching them some new games. And my daughter is really very good with that. After this, you are going to see her lesson she developed for our parakeets.
So this is a race. Ready, go. Yeah. Come on. Go. Guys. Yay. Good job, guys. That was awesome.
This is some new lesson you were teaching them?
Yes. This is how I get them on. And they love doing it. They come willingly. I wouldn't make them do it. See? Good job, guys. See, they just came in.
Yeah.
Our blue one is the fastest right now.
Yes.
Wanna go, buddy? So, now we... Hey!
So how do you develop all these parakeet lessons?
These lessons, I developed them by... These are their perches from their cage. They're very comfortable with them, so they won't get scared and they know what it is.
So
And,
this is, what is the name of this course?
bird racing or
Obstacle course?
obstacle course. Correct. Come on. Vano, our green one, sometimes he needs a head start. Go, buddy. Oh, he cheated. But see, that color, our blue one, she always does she goes through the entire thing.
Yeah.
Would you like to see them one by one?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay. Which one would you like first?
Maybe Kulir?
Okay. Come on, Cooler. You're a good girl. Come on. Yeah, good job.
She knows that when you say, come on, Kulir, she comes.
Oh. You are an expert, so I'm going to make this a little challenging. You need to turn around. Yay! She goes immediately.
Yes.
You'll see Vano,
It's very good.
our green one, he's more comfortable just watching the action. But he comes, good boy. You got this. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. You need a head push? You might want to just gently use your hands. Go, buddy. Go on. You got this. Yay. Go. It's okay. You'll get treats.
Good
Yay.
job.
All 3. And then they go back together.
Very wonderful.
Yes, I think when they're...
This is a very creative game you developed for them.
Thank you.
Awesome.
I think when they go one by one, it's more of a motivation because they see the other person, the other bird, and they want to be together.
Hi guys. Good job.
You want a treat? Then we always have to reward them. So I'm going to give each of them a little piece of combo. As you can see.
A grind, small grind.
Small grain. There you go. Are you hungry? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good girl. See?
Good job.
You deserve it. Eat up.
Good job. They did their lesson good, so they got their treat.
Yes. You always have to reward your pets.
Good job. Hi.
Hi, Rena.
Hi, Corey.
think you're done. Now